Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Humiliate Drunk Woman After Violent Meltdown at Bar.
Why are you doing this?
You're not gonna do this.
I'm not doing this. Get off me!
Stop. If you kick me in the nuts again.
Get off me! I don't care about your fucking nuts! Big fucking problem! You're a loser, goodbye. You're a loser, goodbye.
On December 7th, police responded to a bar after a drunk patron began causing a disturbance and refused to leave.
Hi there, how are you?
Hi.
What's going on?
I'm just sitting here.
You're just sitting here? No, from my understanding, you're not just sitting here. I think you've overstayed your welcome.
I'm okay, no problem.
Okay, let's go.
No problem.
Alright, how are you planning on getting home?
Uber.
Uber? Okay. That's fine, but you're having trouble standing up and your shoes untied. So, I don't want you to fall. Yeah, you're having trouble standing. Easy. I'm gonna put
So I did nothing wrong.
Nobody said you did anything wrong.
So get off my arm like
I'm trying to stop you from breaking your head open on the floor.
So you're doing something that's not nice.
I'm what?
You're like doing something.
Just because you can drink doesn't mean you should.
No, I don't want you to
All
fall.
professional. I don't
You
like
literally can't stand straight.
Was that Uber?
Get in the back of the car and be done with you. I don't have to deal with you.
I don't know why you're giving me attitude. I'm trying to help you out from going to jail.
Go to jail for what?
Disorderly conduct and throwing shit at the bar.
I didn't throw anything.
Okay, not what I was told.
Show a picture. Show a picture.
I need one person to be alarmed and disturbed and you're going to jail. So you got two options. We're going to go outside in the car. You're going to wait in the back of my car for your Uber.
You're a liar.
Or you're going to jail.
Show a picture.
Go. Let's go. We're out of the bar.
I would like this.
We're out of the bar.
I would like this.
You're going to go in handcuffs in about a second.
Be cool.
Go ahead. These people are trying to enjoy their evening and you're ruining it.
What? You suck. You're awful.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, fine. I appreciate that.
You got your ID because you're about 3 seconds away from going to jail. And if you refuse to give me your ID, you are going
Can I
to
tie
jail.
my boot?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You just have to lace it properly.
And you do it right?
No, I'm not tying your boot. You just called me an asshole or something, so I'm not tying
Because
your
you
boot.
are an asshole. No.
See, and this is...
Sweetheart, you need to stop.
All right.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
He's not going away, honey. He's the law.
Hi, were you alarmed and disturbed?
Yeah.
Perfect. We're in custody now. So now we're done. Don't play this game.
Why are you doing
Stop.
that? Stop.
You're not
doing
going to
that.
do this.
Why are you doing
You're
this?
not going to do this.
Why are you doing
You're not
that?
going to do this.
Right.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
What did I do?
Stop. I gave you so many chances.
I did nothing wrong. What did you do wrong? Can you not do that?
Stop.
I'm not doing anything. You're like crazy. Why are you
Stop. Put your hands
doing that? Why
behind
are
your
you
back.
doing this?
Don't. I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this.
I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this to
Do you
everyone.
understand?
Stop doing this to everyone. Stop.
Stop. You're done. I gave you plenty.
I will not.
You're
I will
resisting.
not.
Stop resisting.
I'm resisting.
I know you're resisting and you're going to jail.
I'm resisting.
You're going to go to the ground in 3 seconds if you don't stop.
So everyone's watching you do this.
How many times is he gonna count to 3 seconds? Like, just think about how many times he said this a couple of times. Maybe not, going to the ground, but it'll be, you got 3 seconds to go on down. You're going to the ground. You got 3 seconds to give me your ID. You're about to go to jail in about 3 seconds. Like, come on, man. Clearly, she's not afraid of your 3 seconds, man. Just get her together and just drag her ass out. Let's go.
I know,
And
and everybody understands how many.
Why are you watching?
I'm putting you on the
Why
ground.
are you doing that? I'm not doing
Put her on the ground. Dump her. There we go.
Do you guys see this?
All this could have been
What an
avoided.
awful person that you're doing in front of everyone. I've done nothing wrong. It's awful. It looks so bad for you that you're doing
Honestly,
I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
you
I
literally
did
told me
nothing
you were
wrong.
resisting.
I did nothing wrong. You're just like acting out.
And now you're going to kick me. Do you want extra charges?
I couldn't care less about what you're doing. I think you're a loser with nothing else going in your life. I think you have nothing going in your life and you're such a loser. I think you're a loser. You're a loser.
I'm going to roll you to your side. I'm
You're
going
a
to pick you
loser.
up.
You're a loser. You have nothing going in your life.
I'm going to roll you to your side.
Okay, bye. You're a loser. You're a loser. You sound so stupid.
Okay.
You look like an idiot.
Turn your not kick me. There's a bucket of water by your head. Stop.
Good, don't touch me.
Hey, he's got you in hand.
I don't care. I don't want to touch me.
Girl, just
What
Roll
is
to
he
your
doing?
side and
What is
stand up.
he doing?
Stand up.
Get off me.
Stand up.
just stand up.
Why? What are you doing? I'm trying to get up here. I want nothing to do with you. Get away from me. You've been terrorizing me. Terrorizing me.
I tried giving you a ride
You're
home.
terrorizing me. Get off me. You're terrorizing me. This one thing's terrorizing me. It's a major problem. Major problem. You're terrorizing me.
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Anything?
What? This guy's terrorizing me. Everyone watched it. You're nuts. Everyone saw you do that.
The
You're
only
crazy.
person acting a fool is you.
Go, I don't care what you're saying to me right now. Get off of me.
Stop. This is
What off?
exactly how you got in this mess.
What? Look what he's
Stop.
doing. He's a terrorist nuts. Get off of me.
Kick me in the nuts?
Then stop telling
What is wrong with you? You're done.
Put me on the ground. Get off of me.
No, I'm trying to okay.
Get off of me. Knock it off. Get off. Get him off.
Stop.
He's awful. He's a terroristic threat.
Knock it off.
I have videos and everything. He's a liar.
Are you gonna stop kicking?
No.
You're
I
gonna
have
keep
videos.
I like this. You know why I like this? Because he's aware of his surroundings, okay? There's plenty of space to dump her, right? Dump her, I mean, put her to the ground, right? Plenty of space, right? But he dumped her in the snow, face first in the snow, or her upper half is in the snow, like the higher level of the snow, not where it's like shoveled. See, little things like that, little key details, man. I like it. I like it. He's well aware of his surroundings. You kick me in the nuts? Okay, you're going to the ground. Not only are you going to the ground, you're going in the snow.
I have videos of this man.
Hey,
He's awful.
Lopez.
Stop. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Put me in jail. He's a terrorist.
Do they have leg restraints or just
I have
Lopez?
videos.
Is it?
He's a liar. He's a
You gotta scoot her
liar.
out of the snow.
Get off me. Get off me. He's a terroristic threat. I have videos. I have videos of this man in the bar. Get off me.
Stop. If you kick me in the nuts again,
Get off me. I don't care about your fucking nuts. Let me get out. I have everything.
Got that like?
Pictures of this man in the bar trying to pick up everybody. Stop talking. Shut the f*** up, bitch. I have everything. Stop it.
Lopez, have the seat.
Oh, jeez. Dude, do it then. Oh, my God.
You're not giving us a chance or an option.
I don't even care about it. There we go. I don't care about it. Oh,
You wanna try bending her knees?
oh, my knees will snap. You don't do anything for anybody. You guys are losers. You do nothing for anybody. I'm gonna get out of jail. You guys don't care. Get out and do you feel good about yourself? Do you feel good about that? You're a loser. Get off my shoulders. You should be a nice person. Who cares about this? I don't care about this. It's so lame. Take me to the hospital, whatever. I don't care about you. You're not gonna get anything from nothing from me. You're awful. I'm doing my job. You ain't doing just fucking shit. Get off me. Who cares? I like being tied up, dummy. I'm driving around. I'm doing it. Bye. Blah, 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 blah. Be real close out of your jurisdiction. Bye. So you can't just abduct people. Wrong. This is a big f***ing problem. Big f***ing problem. It's a big f***ing problem. Let me out real quick.
Hey, just
Go away, bye.
if you damage my car, that's gonna be up to the
I don't care what car I'm in. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You have no credibility. Goodbye. Keep doing it. Go ahead. Keep doing it. You're such a low-life loser. I'm best friends with him. You're such an idiot. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What's his name?
Paul Swanson.
Paul Swanson?
You bet.
Oh,
He's tattooed on my arm. You're an
What?
idiot. You're an idiot. I was just spending time with him. You're an idiot. You're such a stupid low-life loser.
Okay, well, you're not gonna hurt my feelings.
I don't care about hurting your feelings. You're an idiot. Go ahead, keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying.
I'm just gonna clear the snow off.
I don't care about you. Shut the fuck up. Get my feet untied, quick, real quick, before I tell Paul Swanson. Bet, get my feet untied, real quick. You dumbass bitch. You're so stupid. I don't care about you. No, untie my, I don't care. I don't care. Untie my hands. Shut up. You have a small dick. You have a small dick. Untie my hands. Fortunate. Why?
Because you're moving around a lot.
Why are you being so nasty?
I'm not being nasty.
You're just like trying to like ruin my life. It's not.
I was trying to give you a ride home and be nice.
You didn't try to do anything nice. You're trying to ruin my life. It's really not nice.
I wanted to drop
It's
you off.
super nice. Not nice to do that, but that's okay. All this is public record, and everyone knows what you're doing. You're like a liar, and everyone knows, so it's okay.
Hey, Carol.
So I'm not doing that. Take my feet out of this. I'm not.
We're not what? You can come with us.
So I understand that, but I'm not.
Right here. There you go. Come on.
So get off my feet, like.
Come on, get up.
Yeah, you know how them lady officers gonna give it up, man. When you got a lady suspect, you know how the lady officers gonna give it up, man. Look, it look like what they at the jail. What's this? These are the COs. Hold on, you see?
Right here. There you go. Come on.
So get off my feet, like.
Come on, get up. Get up. Yeah, put your feet down. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Wheelchair.
Yeah, that's the COs. No weapon, just pepper spray and all of that. Sheriff CO, yeah.
Since you want to act like that, that's you. Okay, I'm here with it, fine. I'll take a wheelchair.
I don't want to take that out.
And they're easily tied. I just am not going to do all that.
Yeah.
Can you take these off?
They're really easy. Yeah. I'm fine. It's really easy.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, criminal trespassing, and battery on an officer. If you enjoyed this video,
Yeah, they said, deputies, can you take this off her? You know, the kind, yeah. Come on, man. Come on out. You don't want to come, get your ass up out of here. What you thought this was, man? Welcome to the corrections. Welcome to the jail, you know? No, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, man, like I said, man, just because you can drink doesn't mean you should. I mean, she's all over the place. Something, and it looked like her Uber was actually on the way. So, I mean, you really just took a L for real, because you're gonna pay something for the Uber, right? And now you're going to jail and everything like that. Man, I come on, man. What's wrong with just going out, having a good time, going about your business? That's it. Anyway, yeah, that's that. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.